down Superman. We're gonna have Michelle lay face down, prone on the ground, with her arms right out in front of her, legs nice and straight back. For Superman, this is a gentle movement. You don't want to come up too powerfully into this movement, and it shouldn't hurt. What you want to do is take a nice big deep inhale, and as you exhale, we're going to have Michelle lift all 4 of her limbs gently up off the ground, working her glutes, her back muscles, her erector spine muscles, that's what I was looking for, and her shoulders. And relax down. Relax that head too. Good. And lift, exhaling up. I like to hold for at least 1 or 2 counts here, and then lower down, relax, lift, hold, lower down, relax. That looks perfect. That, my friends, is a Superman.